What we have today, T100 plugs. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this T100 plugs on this video and also show you guys how to connect it to your HryFine application. And this is a tutorial video on how to set up your HryFine application and connect it to your phone easily. And I'm going to guide you guys how to do the whole settings. So watch the video to the very end so that you get the whole full tutorial. So first we have to unbox this. I have this delivered to me today. So let's take a good look at this SmartWatch. So as you can see, the smartwatch, this is how it comes, and this is the charger. Here's the charger, and here's the watch. Here's the smartwatch. Very nice. And here is the manual. So as you can see the manual, you can also follow the manual and the guide so you can get to understand how to make use of the watch. And here is the code to scan to be able to download the HryFine application. So let's first open this. You can easily open these plastics here, and you can charge the watch with the charger. When you get the watch, the first thing is the curve, so you can see how it looks. And the watch also comes with a screen protector that will help to guide the screen so that it will not break. And as you can see, right here is the speaker side. So here is the speaker part of the watch, and here is the charging part of the watch. So you can see how beautiful the watch looks. So and here is the stripes. You can see it comes with normal portable stripes that is beautiful, and this is the black color, and to put the watch on, you just need to long press on this button right here. On this button, you just long press on it, then the watch will come on. And one thing I love about this watch is that it has a lot of wallpaper. You can easily be able to change the wallpaper, and by scrolling up you can easily be able to see all the features of the watch. The watch has calculator, which I love the most. So and it's very easy to operate. So you can see the Facebook, the settings, the music of the watch. So I have to connect it now to my phone, so you can see other features that the watch has. The watch also have this game. You can also play this game right from here. So up next is to be able to connect this watch to your phone. So you can see that you can be able to play music with this watch, see the music, and other to make calls. And if you want to check your heart rate, you can just tap here, right here, and you can be able to check your heart rate. So let's connect the watch to our phone now. So first, to connect the watch to your phone, you need to go to Google Play Store. You have to tap on Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store. Here's my Google Play Store. As you can see, here's my Google Play Store. So I'll have to tap on it, and I have to search for HryFine, which is HryFine. So here is the app. I already got it downloaded. If you haven't downloaded, just tap on this icon and download it. So I have to tap on it to open because I've already got it downloaded. I have to click on this determine. Tap on determine, click on allow, everything above, and just click on allow. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, please. So tap on this to quickly sign up easily. Tap on the Gmail, or you have already got your email link to your phone, or you just type on this register icon right here to easily start the registration process. But you have to input your email address here, input your email address, and also input the verification code that they will send into your email address, and then input your password and confirm the password right here. So just tap on this, go back, tap on this email. So I have to choose any of my emails. So let me select this email here. So I have to use this email to sign up now. So it will automatically sign up and register immediately. So here is my code, here is your account. So your account, the account have been established. Please keep your account and the password properly. So you can see that this is my account ID, and here is my account password. So I can also decide to change the password, but the best way is just to screenshot this so that you will not forget. So up next is to click on this determine, tap on it, click on determine, and continue. So you can easily be able to input your nickname right here. Let's say Emmy is my nickname. I have to input my gender and male. I have to input my date of birth. I have to just let me. This is not my date of birth actually, so I have to just input random dates. I have to input my height. Actually, I haven't really checked my height, but I just put random down, right? But you that is putting it, just make sure that you put the right full answer, so that everything will correspond very well. So as you can see, here is the phone that I'm using to make this video. It will pump and show your device name. So as you can see, you can just tap right here, right on this icon here, to go back. So from here now, you can just click on go set. On tapping on this go set, now you scroll down and look for HryFine. So you have to look for this application called HryFine and enable it. So as you can see now, I've enabled it. You have given permission access, so that I will be able to have the whole full access to being able to use it and connect it to my smartwatch. So up next is to tap here. Here they write my. Here they write my. So I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, and also make sure you like this video. Please like this video. So up next, tap on this my, and then tap on here to connect the device. Search device. So when you tap on this search device, you've been able to see your smartwatch. So up next, what next to do is to make sure that you have your smartwatch on T500, T800, T100 plus, any smartwatch that use HryFine. So just make sure you put it on, and then tap on this allow. Click on allow location. Up next, the device will start looking for the smartwatch. So up next, you can see my T100 plus. So I will just tap on it. I've tapped on it, and it will connect immediately. It will start connecting, and you see it's connecting. So you can hear the sound of like connect. Tap on OK. So you have connected successfully now. So make sure you tap on OK on your smartwatch if you give that request. So you have connected now. So as you can see now, you can see my smartwatch right here. So up next is to click on this dial management. You can click on this dial management to change your wallpaper, and you can also click on this hand ring settings. Tap on it to be able to do other settings. So you can see that my battery, I can be able to see the percentage of my smartwatch battery. So I can tap on this and being able to do other settings, like enable some things like message reminder. You can see SMS reminder. All these things are enabled now. So you can decide to enable some that you don't like. So I will decide to disable this because I don't want to be receiving a lot of notifications. I'll just leave the remaining ones. So as you can see, after that, you can just tap back here, right here, to go back. So up next is to find when you tap here, you can be able to find your smartwatch. Tap it, it will vibrate. So you can hear the sound right now. So and from here, you can be able to set alarm, and when you tap on it, you can be able to tap here and reminder. From here, you can set alarm. So it's very easy. So when you tap here, you can be able to add alarm. So go back. After setting the alarm, you can easily just tap on confirm and you confirm. So from here, you can easily be able to remotely control your phone camera. So apart from that, what next to do is, if you want to put a sleep mode, you can easily come here and enable this sleep monitoring, and from here is dial mail, and here this icon is when you don't want to receive any notification from the smartwatch. You can just enable the D&D mode by tapping on it and enable this icon. So you can enable it, you can disable it whenever you like. So another thing is the vibration. You can also enable the vibration and some other things. So I don't want to spend a lot of time making this video, so I just want to give you guys quick tutorial on how to set up your HryFine application. And from here, you can even, here is for home book. So I don't want to show some of my contacts, so let me just tap on it. When you tap on it, you click on this add contact. Tap on it. you can be able to import contact. You understand? So select, so when you tap on this, you can be able to select contact. So I don't want to show my contacts in public, so I don't want to do that one now. So after you select some of the contact that you want to export to the wash, you can easily click on export to be able to export them to the SmartWatch. So from here the right background, you can be able to see this, and up next is from here you right, when you click here you will see the data. From here when you tap on this spot, you can be able to take a very good look of your sport, see how many time you spend working and some other things, and some other stuff. From here is the heart rate. So if you tap on this heart rate now, you can be able to remotely control the smartwatch to check your heart blood pressure by tapping on this start. So here is it on how to set your HryFine application. It's very easy. When you are seeing this icon right here, just know that your watch is still connected. And if you want to also verify to know if your watch is still connected, go back and click on this and tap on find device. When you type on find device, your watch will vibrate immediately. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and please make sure you like this video and subscribe if you find this video informative. Thank you for watching, and see you